Take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 25 videos, yet it has gained more than 14,000 subscribers. If you look at its views, they're even higher than you'd expect. Here's another channel. It has only a few long-form videos, but it has already gained more than 100,000 subscribers. Both of these channels create evolution videos. I recreated this exact type of video using free AI tools in less than 30 to 40 minutes. First, watch the video I created. Then I'll show you exactly how I made it. You've already seen the final video. Now let's see how to create it. First, open any browser and search for Claude AI. Click on the first website. Once Claude AI opens, copy the prompt I've provided. Paste it into Claude AI and press Enter. Claude AI will ask what topic you want to create an evolution video about. I'm creating an evolution video about fighter jets. After entering the topic, press Enter. Next, Claude AI will ask which country's fighter jets you want to cover. I'm choosing USA fighter jets. Press Enter. Now it will ask one final question. What date range do you want to cover in the evolution video? I'll simply enter any date range I want. After that, press Enter. Claude AI will now generate all the information using real data. Scroll down. Here you'll find image prompts for every fighter jet. Copy the first prompt. Now open a new tab and search for Google Flow. Click on the first website. If you haven't signed in yet, log in with your Google account. Then click New Project. From the menu, select Image. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and select 2 images. Paste the prompt and press Enter. Google Flow will generate 2 images of the fighter jet. Once the images are ready, download the one you like the most in high quality. Now copy the second prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Repeat the same process for all the remaining prompts. I'll speed up the video here. Once all your images are ready, go back to the prompt. Scroll down and you'll find another prompt for the background. Copy it and paste it into Claude AI. Press Enter. Claude AI will ask which topic you need the background for. Simply enter the corresponding number and press Enter. It will generate a background prompt for you. Copy that prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Google Flow will generate the background image. Download the background you like the most. Now your fighter jets and backgrounds are ready. If you don't like the generated background, open a new tab and search for Free Pick. It offers unlimited free backgrounds. Simply search for the style you want and download it. Now your background is ready. Drag the background into Photoshop. This is the only manual step, but it will make your video look much better than the rest. Once you've done it once, the remaining scenes will be exactly the same. Now, drag the first fighter jet onto the background according to your script and click OK. Right-click the layer, then click the required option. Select the Object Selection tool from the left toolbar and click on the fighter jet. Once it's selected, press Ctrl+X, then Ctrl+V. Delete the layer underneath. Now, right-click the fighter jet layer and choose Flip Horizontal. Adjust the size of the jet. Your first scene is now ready. Now it's time to export the first scene. Click Export. Instead of PNG, choose JPG or any other format you prefer. Then click Export. Now delete the first fighter jet and drag in the second one. Follow the exact same steps. Now let's change the background. Close the current background and drag in a new one. Again, position the fighter jet and background the same way. Now go to the top menu, click Filter, then Blur, and select Motion Blur. This will make your background look much better once it's animated. I'll speed up the video again. Just repeat the same steps you followed earlier. Now all 6 scenes are ready. Next, go back to Google Flow. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every day, which is enough to generate several scenes. At the bottom, switch from Image to Video, then select Frames. Set video quantity to 1. For the AI model, choose VO3 Lite or VO3 Fast. These models use fewer credits. Now drag your scene images into Google Flow so they upload. After they're uploaded, drag the first image into the first frame. If you hover your mouse over the frame, you'll also see the frame number. Now drag the second image into the last frame. Next, go back to the prompt. Scroll down where I've provided an animation prompt. Copy it and paste it into Google Flow. Press Enter. Your first animated scene is now completely ready. Simply download it. Repeat the exact same process for all the remaining scenes and generate the animations. I'll speed up the video once again. Now all the final clips are ready. The only thing left is to combine them. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. I'll drag all the clips into the timeline. I place the second clip slightly over the first clip to create a smoother transition. This step is optional. If you don't want to do it, you can simply place the clips one after another, and the video will still look good. I personally use this method because it improves the overall quality. Now go back to your script. Copy the name and date of the first fighter jet. I already have a Premiere Pro graphics template. Drag it onto the timeline. Adjust it slightly. Then paste the fighter jet's name. This small step makes your video look much more professional. Now, hold Alt and drag the same template to duplicate it. Go back to Claude AI, copy the name of the second fighter jet, and paste it into the duplicated template. Repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. If you ever forget the name of a fighter jet, you can simply check the generated image. Now create a new audio track. If you already have background music, drag it into the timeline. If you don't, open YouTube Studio. Go to the Audio Library section. You can download free, copyright-safe music from there. After downloading it, drag it directly into your timeline. Adjust the timing and volume. Once your video is complete, simply export it. Then upload it to YouTube. Optimize your title, thumbnail, and SEO. With the right optimization, your video has a great chance of going viral.